Oh, hola. So, we already up and at 'em. It doesn't look like, it looks like it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. It's not, it's nearly 10. So we're just meeting at the plaza that we did yesterday for a graffiti tour, but we're meeting there. I'm assuming it's just like a city tour, so just gonna find out a bit about everything. We'll see how it goes. Jack hasn't quite made it with us at this point. He's lagging behind, so he's just gonna message us and he'll try and meet us. How you feeling, Amy?
You know, I'm alright.
Huh?
I'm alright.
Yep.
Oh.
Yeah, it's just a little bit fresh this morning, but apart from that, it's gonna be a good day.
So there's a slide out here. And horrible. You won't do it? Go on, you can go down on your feet.
Oh, mate!
You want to.
Doesn't look half bad until, oh, there's definitely some shit on the sides.
Guess we are going down the slide. I am not going on my arms though. Go for it.
Get me off!
Cueca. I talk about Cueca. You remember Cueca? No? Our national dance.
Oh yeah.
You remember what it represents?
A rooster.
Chasing a
Chasing
chicken.
To mate. Yeah, it's an important part. And
That's very cool.
No, not from Sydney, not from Melbourne.
There's so many dogs around us. I'm like, I like dogs, but not these ones. They're scary.
The glitch in your eyes pulled me under, but I will wait for you. There's nothing left for me to do than run and act myself a fool. No point in trusting anyone. Your eyes of diamonds keep me up with the thought that it could be this rough. No point in trusting anyone.
What do you think?
Yeah, I really like it. We get to see a lot more of the city than we probably would on our own.
True.
Especially because I wouldn't want to be walking around with all these dogs.
Yeah, some guy just got attacked. It was weird.
It was like we had
Scary.
our own wolf pack and they protected us from him.
Yeah.
But he was just a poor man walking.
Walking down the street. Making my way downtown, walking fast. There's so much cool graffiti though. Look at that.
guys, there's only one way you can do it.
Oh, maybe not.
Cheers.
Salud.
I don't know.
Oh. What's getting? What are we getting? Empanadas. Fried empanadas. So we just ordered an empanada. And she asks your name. And I'm like, oh, you know, Amy. She writes it down. And it's E-I-M-Y. She's like, okay. I was like, yeah, sure.
What was it?
E-I-M-Y. Amy. Yours is H-A-N-A.
Yeah, that's hot.
Fried empanada. Well, we're at the end of our tour. It was very nice. We're at the port now, and we're probably going to go get some seafood.
Seafood.
So I treat myself to an Oreo milkshake. It's nice. Not the best strawberry milkshake I've ever had, but yeah, it's nice. Jack just gone to get a frappuccino.
Hannah's got nothing. Yeah, that's right. Nothing.
We're just gonna go chill in the hostel for a bit now. It's still horrible weather, but the tour was really good. What did you think of the tour?
I liked it.
Yeah, me too. The guy was really nice.
It wasn't all about history, which is fine anyway, but it was just nice. He still talked about street art, that type of thing. So no, it was good. I felt like we got to see a lot more of the city in the little nooks and crannies.
Definitely, I agree. What are these? Sesame sticks.
What do you reckon that dip is?
There's only one way to find out.
What if it's like seafood?
It looks like Big Mac sauce.
It's not really tastes of anything. Well, we got our pizzas. Jack did get one, but
It was not vegetarian.
wrong. It was not vegetarian, so we sent it back. But it looks really good. Look how weird Chilean money is. It's like
It's like
Did
Monopoly
I just
money.
take that one or
Monopoly
what's
money.
there?
Don't know.
She's got an affogato.
Oh. Oh no. I'm in love with the shape of you. This is what. Oh. 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 It's actually so good. That's so good. So
Look at that.
Good.
How
That's
much is that?
huge.
What is it, 1.5 litres?
Hey, caramba.
Sorry for the bad light. We're just back in the hostel, just chilling. Hannah's just getting ready. What are those?
What do you mean?
What are those? You can't even see.
Can you not see?
Ah. Anyway, I'm off to bed. Night.